Hello everyone. Today we are going to present on the topic business process modeling for Melton Men's Salon. My name is Priyanka and my group mates are Rohit, Darpan and Abhishek Giri. The chosen case study explores about the Melton Men's Salon and it provides wide range of personal grooming options. The various treatments provided to the customers such as hair shaving, and it can be provided services to the current customer and the future customers. There are various processes need to be performed by both the customer and in order to sign in, and it goes some treatment process. Some other process need to be performed to carry out the future operations. Thus the customer felt dissatisfied due to the more time for undergoing treatment process and some other processes. The usage of business process management can make the processes to be carried out in efficient manner. Uh, the processes of Melton Men's Salon can be enhanced with the initial of variety technologies, prediction of cost by the optimization of the process, and minimization of the errors that occurs at various levels of operation in organization. Today I'm going to talk about process categorization model. The process categorization model applied in order to model the processes, and the right product can be aligned in accordance with the introduction business process model. The process model was developed for two events such as sign-in, treatment, and payment process. The whole process according in the appointment process, and then thus makes the respective action can be made, the process to get in aligned. The process identification process will be confined a cruise of entering business process analyzation. Uh, some of the processes that are involved in Melton Salon were categorized into three types, such as sign-in, treatment, and payment process. The sign-in process gets successful by entering of username and password. The entry of those successful password can make the user of successful entry into the system, and the customer can be able to view the treatment details in detailed manner. The service provided to the current customer and future customer can be varied. The payment process was made by the customer after successful appointment was processed. My friend Abhishek Giri will talk about the capability maturity model.
Thank you very much, Priyanka. Our next slide of our presentation is about capability maturity model. It is employed for the men's Melton Salon, in which the processes are carried out, which will be redefined in order to attain the approximate results. It is mainly used in order to ensure that the organization is appropriately utilizing functions that exist in capability maturity model, which are used for refining of whole processes and utilized for the software development. The standard processes can increase the processes occurring in the salon in order to get well managed and can be improvised as per the suggestion of the users, and optimization of the business process also made in a successful manner with the usage of capability maturity model. The next slide of our presentation is about case function matrix. In our business process modeling, the Dickman-Engels technique is applied in order to identify the case function matrix and identification of various processes occurring in the Melton Men's Salon. The case function matrix was split into multiple matrices, and it can improvise the readability to larger extent where determined. The case function matrix were categorized into case types and business functions. Business functions are vertically displayed and case types are horizontally displayed. This provides higher readability about the business process and its respective case types. The next slide of our presentation is about process model. The appointment process for Melton Men's Salon was made, in which the customer needs to undergo sign-in process and then followed by respective details uploading. The respective process will be taken care by the receptionist staffs. The treatment provided to the customers on the basis of the records that are written in the customer's database. This will simply reduce replying to the post in instant mode. The process model can be cleared and understood with the BPM diagram given in the slide. With the next slide, I would like my friend Darpan to take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. The 7 process modeling guidelines utilized for business modeling processes. There are various steps and ingredients that are integrated together in order to model the whole process of 7PMG as per the outlines and the guidelines which are generated. The whole processes and procedures carried out within the organization can be extremely aligned with the usage of 7PMG model. The time can be minimized by reducing the time to sign in and details uploading process. The element used for development of these respective processes models were limited, thus the effective operational effectiveness can be promoted. The next slide. The cycle time calculations were done for the hair, shaving, and nail treatment activities. By appending the summary of the time data needed for the individual processes activities, the total time required for each activities can be shown as sign processes, filling, contact details, etc. The time calculated for each process that occurs in the Melton Man salons has been shown in tabular column with the process. Now Rohit will take over.
Thank you, Darpan. Now we'll discuss about the redesign model, which is divided into three parts. First is sign-in, second is the reception, and third is the future customers. The redesigning of the model can provide the approximate solution in increasing customer satisfaction and business reputation. The redesign process was made for the process such as appointment, as it take more time than other process involved. The 5-step method was utilized for incrementally transforming the conceptual process model into executable one with usage of BPM and language. The redesigning can provide some of the effective benefits to the customer of Melton Men Salon, and thus customer of those salon can be able to attain the timely services and get satisfied with the services provided by them. The redesign was made for the customer appointment process. Next slide, please. It is concluded that given report is mainly aimed to conduct the business process for the Melton Men Salon with implication of various business process models. The report detailed about the overview of design and system with usage of efficient business process management architecture by performing various tasks and ways to determine the utility and result of existing business process also evaluated. The application of the entire system architecture of business process management is made on the basis of requirement of Melton Men Salon in accordance with organization operation requirements. The process model utilized were highly employed for aligning of the business processes with an operation. The analysis of the process and respective action can be made. In the reference, we have used these articles for our report. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.